according to the veritable records of the Joseon Dynasty, which documented the installation of a rain gauge at Sawungwan, formerly known as Gwansanggam Bureau of Astronomy, in 1441 during the 23rd year of King Sejong's reign. This artifact is believed to originate from the early Joseon period. However, unlike other weather observation artifacts, determining the exact date of manufacture is challenging due to the absence of inscriptions. The shape of this pedestal resembles the rectangular rain gauge pedestal with a narrow waist, as described to be placed near Sukengjae, a house located on the east side of Cheongdeokgung Palace, in Dong-Gwoldo painting of Eastern palaces created in 1828 to 1830. There is a hole on the upper side of the pedestal, measuring 16.5 centimeters in diameter and 4.7 centimeters in depth, where the rain gauge was positioned. The material used resembles granite, the same stone used in the construction of the Seoul City Wall and Palace buildings. This artifact was discovered in the playground of Seoul Madong Elementary School in the 1970s and was subsequently transported to the Korea Meteorological Administration in 1978. It's worth noting that until 1934, Madong Elementary School occupied the site of Gumbujikba, a government agency responsible for interrogating and processing criminals, in Daeru 1. A waiting place for officials entering the palace in the morning, within Gyeongbokgung Palace. This location was also the original site of Gwansanggam, the Bureau of Astronomy, which was later relocated to the northern Gwanghwaba district office after the reconstruction of Gyeongbokgung Palace in the early era of King Gojong. Afterwards, this artifact, which had been at the school, was relocated along with the school to its current location.